Hey everybody, what's going on? Today we are going to change our tape on the sealing bar. It just lifts straight out and it has these holes here which corresponds with those pins there. Let me take you out to the garage where the lighting is a little bit better, but as you can tell, you can see here that the tape is starting to get some burn marks through it, and so it's time to change it. Sometimes the tape will actually start to split as well. Alright guys, here's a little bit better view of the sealing bar and the tape that we're going to replace. And as you can tell, it's got some scorch marks on there, and that means that the tape is starting to wear out. The main protection that the tape provides is, let's say if you were going to seal it and you didn't have this tape on here, it would melt the bag to the actual sealing bars. And then if we look in here, you can see there and there, although maybe that's a little shiny. That's probably a little better. So what we'll do is we'll just cut down the middle here, and then we'll peel off the tape and we'll put on our new tape here, which just has some sticky stuff that you peel away. So here is a better view of the heating elements. Alright, so we've peeled off the old tape, which we cut in half, and we got rid of that. Sometimes on the sides here, some of that double-sided tape will stay. It doesn't hurt anything to leave that on there. You don't have to get this pristine or anything like that. And basically what you'll do is get your bar as centered up in there as you can, and then we'll peel this off. And then you just, well, my hand's going to kind of be in the way, but you basically just roll it over. Like that. Give it a little bit of a rub, and then we'll do the same thing for this side as well. So we just peel up the tape. And then roll that over. Give that a good rub. And now we've got a new tape on there, and that should be good for quite a while. I think the replacement tape only cost maybe $5 or $6 at the most, I think is about what I paid. And you can get those from pretty much any restaurant stores, things like that. If I remember, I'll maybe annotate here or something the place where I got it from. Alright everybody, we are good to go. We have our tape on the sealing bar, and we should be set for many cycles. So all we have left to do now is to reinstall the bar back into the machine, and you just line up your holes with the pins. There's no set direction it can go on either way, so you can't put it on wrong. So just line it up till it drops in and you're good to go. What I'll do is I'll run through I'll vacuum seal up some frozen soup that we have, and we'll make sure that we get that good double seal. Alright, so now we have our frozen soup here, and food doesn't have to be frozen, it's just we happen to have these like that in the freezer. You make sure that the plastic bag or your pouch is going to go over the sealing bar, and then we got a noise alert coming up. Press it down, hold it for a second or two, And I don't know if you'll be able to see. Let me get behind the camera here. See if we can't get this to focus. But you've got a good double line.